is the 1973 Salton ice cream machine. This was found at a church auction in 1994 or 93, and I paid $2 for it. It was sold, and I paid $2 for this item. You can see there, $2. So we're going to unbox this, take it out, and see if it works. This is now a very popular machine on eBay. Carter's going to crack one egg for our recipe and put that into the bowl. Okay, there we go. Carter's going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Put it all in, get it all in there. Add 1/2 cup of half and half to our mixture. Okay, that looks good.
What's 1/2?
That's 1/2 cup. Carter's going to add 1/4 cup of corn syrup to our mix. 1/4 cup. Okay, he's got it. It's just be careful. It's very sticky. Right? It's very sticky. All right. So Carter is mixing our mixture for our ice cream. All right. Give it a good mix. That's it. Mix it around. And we're going to use the 1973 Salton ice cream machine that we put together, and we're going to see if it works. The lid on the ice cream maker, on our container. We're going to put this on top of the container bowl mixture with the motor. Okay, so we're unboxing the Salton ice cream machine, and Carter's going to assist me with that. Turn that around so we can see the name, and you can see that it says Salton ice cream machine. That's the container that the ice cream.
This button is frozen.
It's not frozen. It'll work yet, and that's the way that works. And this plugs in. You put this in the freezer. You put your mixture in there in the container, and then it turns it into ice cream. All right?
Where's the mixture?
We're gonna make the mixture. He's got his Cracker Barrel apron, but he's not making Cracker Barrel. He's making ice cream today. There's his mixture for the Salton ice cream maker, 1973 model. All right, so we have the Salton ice cream maker. We got the mixture. We left it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now we're gonna put it on the motor and try to make ice cream. All right, the ice cream maker is in the freezer, and the motor's spinning. So this is our finished product from the Salton ice cream machine. We tasted a sample of it, and it's very good. So, it's delicious ice cream. It really is. It came out good. Salton ice cream machine, 1973 model.